Hello folks, today I'm going to seal a squirrel entry point from the attic. I'm going to be using the product called Pestblock from Great Stuff, sealant foam. Alright, so in that corner is where the entry point for the rodent, squirrel and birds. And you can tell because there's an air gap about 1.5 inches air gap. That is easily for the squirrels. They can crawl inside from that space. So I'm going to be sealing that entry point. You have to crawl all the way under and seal the entry point. So it's very difficult to film, but you have to get all on your stomach and spray. Move the insulation out of the way and then spray. Clean the tip. This is the most common entry point into your home. Next to the garage door, we have this gap right here. And from the exterior, you can see there's a good quarter-size hole. I'm going to use steel wool and expansion foam to block this garage door entry. Also, at this corner, we can see there's a gap. I'm using a screwdriver to clean out the debris. And that's some steel wall. Using a telescopic mirror, run along the foundation and see if you can find any gaps. And here you can see there's a sizable gap right next to this storm drain. Between the sliding and foundation, there's enough room for the mouse to squeeze in. Also check the crawl space wiring. Everything is pretty much sealed, so the rodent shouldn't be able to get in from the crawl space vent. But it can get in from underneath the sliding through the gap at the corner. Take some steel wool and stuff it under the sliding. The mouse, they hate to chew on steel metal. Then take some expansion foam, shake it up a little bit. Fill the gap. On this corner. Alright folks, after you seal the entry point, you then can get one of these traps. I got this from Amazon. It's a medium-sized trap, and I baited it with peanut butter. And overnight, I was able to catch this little guy. It's currently passed out, but this is... Look how scary those eyes are.